For G-click, learn G-tick. The middle term in the expansion of x plus 1 by 2x whole to the power 2n is, which of the following four options is right here? Now here we assume n equal to 1 and see what happens. For n equal to 1, this expression becomes x plus 1 by 2x to the power 2 into 1, that is 2. That is, we get x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4x square. So we get x square plus 1 plus 1 by 4x square. So the middle term is 1. Now we have to check which of the following four options gives the value 1 for n equal to 1. So if we put in the option B n equal to 1, we get 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. So in the numerator only we get the term 1, and by factorial n, that is 1 factorial, so we get 1 here. Now the middle term is 1 and this option match with this one. So B is the right answer.